What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy New York Tactical at this Oaks Gun Show. First gun show I got to go to, checking it out, see how everything is, see what we working with. Came here for some ammo, gonna check out some other stuff. You know what I mean? This is what we do. It's first time here, so see what they all about. See what we can get into. See what we working with. $240 for 125 first batch. 223s. See what's going on. 9mm FMJs, 230 grain. See what we working right up in here. See what we got up in here.
Unbreakable, sir.
Huh?
That's unbreakable. Where'd you pick that up from?
In my jacket.
I'm good, thank you.
Affiliated to the.
Yeah, so this is what we working with, y'all. This is Oaks Gun Show out here. Looking for some ammo. Got a lot of stuff I'm looking for. Looking to see what I can work with.
That guy has it. Yeah. Again, there it is.
That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a shotgun. It's my next purchase. I might be leaving with one, might not be leaving with one.
Yeah.
Got 22. This thing is nice. Nice price. $509.
How's it going?
How you doing today, man?
You can handle it.
Yeah. It's a nice 22 though. thing about a 22 is that they jam a lot, but This is sweet.
Yeah, they're cool little guns, man.
This is something nice right here. It's just like a suppressor, or
No, it's just a shroud.
it's just a shroud,
Yeah.
like the FDE.
Mm-hmm.
Came here looking for a shotgun, my first shotgun. I see
got
some
plenty
down
down
there, yeah. See some down there. It's my first time at a gun show, so
Yeah, they're a lot of fun.
yeah,
So I love working these shows with my buddy. Like I don't do this for a living, but I love
just
working
like working, yeah,
fun.
just so much you could just look at
Yeah.
and see what you could get up in here. But it's my first time, so I'm just look around for a second and then start making my purchase. I'm tired of having handguns. I got handguns, so
Yeah.
I need a shotgun. And I was looking for a PCC. So those are two I'm looking for.
Like the Ruger one or
Uh,
any kind of pistol caliber.
not any kind, but something I know is reliable. That's my main thing.
I have
people
some
look
cool
for.
ones down there too.
Go
I
down
have
there.
I have like the CZ Scorpion.
CZ Scorpion and stuff
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah, I have stuff like that.
Yeah, I'm a. Should I get that? That's what I'm looking for right here. Exactly what I'm looking for right there. To go with my Mac 9, 1911, 2011. This lady, how you doing today?
How are you?
I'm all right. This right here, is this a price that y'all settling on for this? You know, kind of leeway on this price right here?
I don't know if we'll come down at all.
Okay.
Are you PA resident?
Yeah. See, I got the Mac 9 2011,
Okay.
and I wanted to match it up with it. You know how it go. You know how it go. Yeah.
Oh, the
But
owner's
it-
the guy in the green.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk around, but I am looking to see this right here. I need a shotgun in my life, so I need to get one of those. So I'll be back.
Okay.
Thank you. That's the only one y'all got. Like, I don't like these.
We got a couple of them.
One for me and one for you.
Is this one the same size? Big? Is that one the same
This
size?
is nice right there.
Around the same time. That is the one with barrel. That's true barrel.
What's the barrel? This or that?
Barrel?
Oh, and the handle?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hold it.
You walking out here with something.
Is this the only one you have?
Yeah, that's the.
This Glock 48. P99. Excuse me.
This is a moon foot car.
I'm gonna see that.
That's an 8-shot revolver. That's an airway. See that Ruger? It's all composite.
You know that one feels even better than
Literally just walk around.
Got the Scar. Prices on that. You got the FN. Man, we got the big boy. 13. Look at that. With that fucking scope. Silencer on it. That's what I came here for, some ammo. I don't want to look at none of these handguns, but tell me, do y'all like these bull pumps? Is they the new things out now? And they give you everything on it though. That's the whole thing. They give you everything on it though. These bull pumps. I'm walking out of here with something. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Good price for them too. $3.99. You can't go wrong with that. Can't go wrong with that. The bull pumps. Might have to pick one of these up. You cannot go wrong with these. 5 with 1 in the head. 6 rounders.
5 rounds.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Nice shotguns. Nice shotguns. Benelli M4 clones.
Let me go find this guy right here so he can get this right.
Benelli M4s.
Gotta find. You gotta find like in New Jersey.
Which one would y'all take? The bull pump or pick up this Benelli? The gray. I had to come back and see what that is all about.
You gotta catch up, man. Shoot. Stop playing. Where you live at? Same place. We're gonna have to meet up somewhere. That's an hour at least.
It's one thing about the shotguns. You know, home defense or whatever you want. You know, shotguns is not too much money, but still could, you know, use it when you need to use it. Looking for ammo, and I'm looking for ammo, and I'm looking for a holster. This thing is calling me though. What y'all think about this? These are 22. It's calling me though. Got the blue line, AK-47, 22 long rifle. .10 round 9mm AK. Century Arms.
Go ahead and check that out.
Washburn 12 gauge. This is what I'm talking about. See this price right here? This price is what I'm talking about. Right here. 5 round. Over there they wanted like 4 something. So I'm glad I looked around and seen this. Might be getting this today. Might be getting this today. See if I get this for a good price. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm all right.
Looking for anything specific?
Yeah, I'm looking at that Mac 9 over there. Yeah, I'm looking at that one. And who's the owner?
For my dad's.
All right.
He's not here at the moment.
I'm gonna wait for him to come back because I'm looking at that Mac 9, the black one, and I might want to pick it up, but I'm gonna wait for him to come back and see if I could, I'm gonna wait for him. I'm not gonna go nowhere else, but I'm gonna wait for him to come.
Well, she can help you.
Oh, she can help me?